How can you turn off the ask for permission to download apps on your iPhone option? Today in this video, I will show you exactly how to do that, so please follow up with me. Now first, of course, we go to your settings and then tap on your name or your Apple ID in the top right here. Now once you tap there, tap on family sharing right here. You'll be taken to this screen. All you need to do is to find the people that you want to stop this permission from, or just stop this notification. So tap one of them. I only have this one, so tap on purchases again. Once you're here in this screen, you'll find all of the people that need permission if you have turned it on. I don't have it on, but if you have, you just need to turn off the permission from this screen. You'll just find the toggle right here. It is very easy to remove. Now that is it for this video. I hope it has helped you. If it has, please don't forget to like and comment down below. Don't forget also to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.